Okay, so now we have our domain already added in our account, in our onefreehosting.com account. The next thing we need to do is to actually go to the switch, meaning we're going to switch is that we're going to log into the control panel of this domain. Click that switch button. In other web hosting companies or web hosting accounts like Bluehost, they have the different options on their cPanel or on their web hosting control panel, but the concept is pretty much the same, so don't get confused. So the first thing that we need to do is to familiarize everything here. So we have the details, the getting started, the upgrade, the change password, unlimited. Upgrades unlimited is it will be upgraded to a HostGator account. So and you have to pay for that. So there are a lot of tools here to create a website. As you can see here, a website builder and auto installer. We're going to tackle about that in the next few videos. You have an FTP access, a file manager, which is one of the most important tool that you need to learn. We're going to tackle about that. The database, the MySQL databases, and one of also a useful tool for websites. So pretty much it. That's what you need to do. You should familiarize these tools here, but the next thing we need to do is to actually connect our web hosting to our domain, so that this domain should be hosted on one free hosting account. Remember, this one doesn't have anything just yet, so it doesn't host it anywhere but in uni.me. Okay, so this domain, this is uni.me is hosted in uni.me, so we want this to be hosted at onefreehosting.com, and to do that we need to connect them. Okay, so to connect them we need to use the name server. So go back so that you will know how to get into that. So you just need to go to the options in your uni.me account, select the domain that you want to host on one free hosting. Click these options here. This is miu.uni.me is the domain that I wanted to host, and go to the name servers tab. You will notice that there is zone records, name server, URL forwarding. We're going to use name servers, and we're going to go to onefreehosting.com, and we're going to go to the details. So you will see that I'm here on the details, and this is where I will get my name servers. It says name server details, and it says NS1, NS2, NS3, NS4. So I'm going to use this in here, and another one, NS2, and here, and I can add more name servers, name if I want to, but NS1 and NS2 should be enough. Okay, so that's the idea here. So to make this domain being hosted to onefreehosting.com, I need to point this name server to onefreehosting.com. Probably if you're using different web hosting, they have a different approach to get this name servers. Probably you need to email them or to contact them to get this. But with one free hosting, it's pretty easy. They already provided you in the details section of your account. Okay, remember that, and then click setup name servers. So we're ready. Success name server ready. We're successfully added. Now we're ready. We need to wait for a couple of hours, probably 2 to 4 hours, even 24 hours. That's actually the estimated time. So as you can see, if I go and visit this domain, not that, this one, still it's not yet hosted on onefreehosting.com. It still redirect me to this ad. That means this still hosted at uni.me. I need to wait a few hours to make things propagate. That's what we call it, propagate. So the domain will propagate to web hosting. That means once it's already successfully propagated, the domain is already on our one free hosting. This page should change. Okay, so to make things clear, we will wait for a couple of hours, and we will see on the next videos so that we could move on to create a website. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video about free web hosting. Thank you so much. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.